The latest COVID numbers show the Omicron variant is still running wild here in Iowa. The Department of Public Health is reporting just under 37,000 new cases over the past 7 days, an increase of less than 1% from Monday's update.
The statewide test positivity rate is now up to 24.8% from 23.5% on Monday. Today, we also learned that COVID has taken the lives of 116 more Iowans. Some of those deaths go back as far as November, but were just reported now. In all, more than 8,300 people in Iowa have died from COVID-19.
One of the biggest jumps the state is seeing is the number of outbreaks at Iowa long-term care centers. In just 9 days, they have nearly doubled from 32 to 63. We have team coverage tonight of Iowa's big coronavirus developments. James Stratton spoke one-on-one with Governor Reynolds about what the state is doing to fight the Omicron surge.
But first, Scott Carpenter found out how hospitals are holding up through this latest surge. Scott?
Well, Stacy, we've been hearing health leaders begging Iowans to get vaccinated because medical workers are just plain exhausted at this point, and here's why. Right now, 991 people with coronavirus are hospitalized across the state. These are some of the highest numbers in more than a year. And in fact, on Monday, Iowa surpassed 1,000 hospitalizations for the first time since December of 2020. Well, Dr. Nicole Gilge-Gashiani at Broadlawns Medical Center says they currently have a staffing shortage and a fair amount of their staff is out sick. Dr. Gilge-Gashiani says this will impact the kind of care patients get. She says they're implementing alternative methods of care so they can provide high quality care to their sickest patients. The issues hospitals have to deal with right now are piling up.
On the front lines, we are incredibly busy, and certainly busier than we've ever been any other time throughout the pandemic. We have a lot of struggles that are new this time around that we haven't encountered before.
Now, those struggles include a shortage of treatment options and not having enough COVID tests to test asymptomatic individuals. Nearly 40% of those hospitalized with COVID across Iowa are fully vaccinated. I asked Dr. Gilge-Gashiani about what she's seeing in those patients. That's coming up tonight at 6. Stacy?
Scott, thank you.